Yo, what up? I'm gonna teach you how y'all niggas how to clean the remote. You see that the batteries all corroded. Feel? I already took the batteries out. I'm gonna have to teach y'all niggas how to clean the corroded. So we're gonna use a. So we got the we got the vinegar, we got cotton balls, and we got the paper. So I'm gonna teach y'all niggas how to clean it up. So give it some time. Start rubbing, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So I'm just cleaning the acid from the battery from the possible remote. So I just use vinegar. It's gonna let it dry soon, so I'm gonna cover it. I'll see you guys later. Yeah. Because of the corroded, the batteries corroded the possible remote. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep cleaning it until it's super possible clean. Yeah. So okay, Possible's back again on Possible. Today, I'm done cleaning down the corrosion of the batteries. So let's start putting the Possible battery inside the Possible remotes. So I got some Possible batteries with me on Possible. So we're gonna start some Possible battery. Yeah, I already cleaned it with vinegar. I already cleaned it with vinegar on Possible. So let's start putting some Possible batteries in and test it out on Possible. Anything is possible for the Possible. Yeah. Let's put it in on Possible. And yeah, we got some energizers. The one of them got corroded, so yeah, I just charged the other one, so the batteries are good on Possible. So let's start putting some Possible batteries in on Possible. Yeah. Okay. Put the remote on Possible. So I understand. I like the Radio Shack remote. It comes with 4 AAA Possible batteries. So I'm gonna program it on Possible. I'm gonna Possible program it to the Possible on Possible. Yeah. So I understand. I brought this remote from Amazon, and so it worked. Let's give Possible a try and see. Okay, it works like a Possible. All right. Thank you for joining my Possible video. Enjoy. Have a blessed Possible night. Yeah.